Hi, now my friend Dyson gonna snort the sugar. Look at that.
I'm not gonna keep $1.
Got our buddy Dustin here. Maybe make a.
You have a minute.
Okay. If you do that whole line, I will let you keep the dollar.
This right here?
Make it a little.
Okay. Don't make it thinner.
Well, you can't snort it if it's too thick.
Roll this. I'll let you keep the dollar if you roll it. If you hit it all.
Why is this video?
He's still doing it for $1.
The things I do for money.
He's gonna get $1 if you snort this shit.
It looks like you've got experience with the way you're rolling that.
Got nice and tight.
That's tight, like
sugar.
Oh gosh.
I need a drink.
People could do real life here. No one could think anything of.
I know.
I don't want to be in the video for this one.
Yeah, all right.
Come on, Dustin. USA, 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 USA.
Oh, buddy.
Oh, you got it, Felipe.
It's too thick. You gotta cut it.
You want to be said.
Are you gonna want to
Come on, Dyson, I believe in you.
I believe you. Emil says he believes you.
Yes, I do. Here's me.
Don't judge me.
But I think that's all.
Only God can judge
Hey,
you.
there's a fire eater.
There is no God,
Your
though.
profile picture on your
Okay, you can keep the dollar. All right.
You're gonna get kicked out if you're out there.
Hey, there's a fire.
Alright, that's all. Later.